Today is the inauguration day of our Smart Manufacturing Competency Centre in Bengaluru, which is an extended facility that we have created for our students as well as for the people here in Bengaluru and around this place. Smart manufacturing is an emerging technology and many organizations are adopting it. The manufacturing organizations believe that this is the way forward and the technologies are evolving. So, as a responsible educator, BITS Pilani has set up this facility here so that it can train and help the startups as well as MSMEs to build solutions in the manufacturing sector. When we say manufacturing sector, it includes chemical industries, process industries in general, defense, automotive sector, discrete manufacturing, all of them. India has been a service economy for a very long time, and now we are progressing towards being a manufacturing economy, for which we need to have a large number of engineers in the manufacturing sector. Currently, we are producing a lot of engineers in our engineering colleges, but are they all ready for the emerging technologies is a question mark. So, we would like to demonstrate here through our small effort of creating a facility of about 6,000 square feet in collaboration with the industry, which can offer hands-on intensive training as well as programs, short-term programs and medium-term programs for the engineers who are either graduating from the colleges as well as who are working in the industry. So we expect that this will be a good starting point for others to emulate, and we would like, this is our second competency center. The first one in automotive software defined vehicles was started in Chennai about 3 to 4 months back, and now we are starting it in Bengaluru, focusing on smart manufacturing. We will be starting our next competency center in Pune in the next 3 to 4 months, focusing on both automotive as well as smart manufacturing. Thank you.
My name is G. Sundar. I am a professor at the Birla Institute of Technology and Science, Pilani, at its Hyderabad campus, and director of off-campus programs and industry engagement. So, this Smart Manufacturing Competency Centre is one of the initiatives of the suite of programs that we call work integrated learning programs, which we run for working professionals. So today we have programs which cut across sectors: artificial intelligence, machine learning, software engineering, electronics, manufacturing, automotive, pharmacy, and programs in management. We have an enrollment of about 55,000 students currently, and more than about 125,000 students have graduated who are working professionals from these programs over the past 50 years. And when the working professionals undergo these programs, they also have to work on a problem drawn from their workplace, and with the support from a mentor from within the organization and from the faculty at BITS Pilani, they have to provide a solution to that problem. So one of the sectors that we have focused on is the manufacturing sector in general, and more recently, in the last half a dozen years or so, we have moved increasingly towards digital and smart manufacturing. We began by offering a master's program in digital manufacturing, and we have recently introduced a bachelor's program in smart manufacturing. This competency center is an extension of a fairly wide range of facilities that we have created on our campuses, especially the Hyderabad campus. One of the things that we have done over the last few years to ensure that the facilities are capable of being accessed remotely, so that students from any part of the world and certainly the country can access those facilities. The new feature of these competency centers, which we have now created for automotive in Chennai and manufacturing in Bengaluru, is that we wish to go to the next stage where we are able to provide greater access to our students, greater access to students from local institutions who are interested in these areas, and most importantly to work with industries, particularly small and medium industries in the manufacturing sector, in the case of the Smart Manufacturing Centre, in being able to provide IoT enabled or smart manufacturing solutions to their products and processes, so that their efficiency and their capacity can grow, and they will be able to produce what larger companies utilize on the scale and with the quality that is required for the large manufacturing sector companies. And we wish to use this as a model which other institutions and industry can emulate. Thank you.